Happy Wednesday! It is The Little Cub. It's our shared reading time. So we're going to read this story together. So we've been reading this Monday, Tuesday, and now again today. And this time, I want you to read along with me. Okay? Let's read the title. The Little Cub. Remember, this is a story about a little cub, a lion. And they belong to a group of other lions that is called a pride. Another group of lions is called a pride. The Little Cub by Henry Huron. And remember, Henry is the author of this story. He writes the words. The little cub can sit. Good. The little cub can sit. Baby lions are called cubs because he's sitting. Okay, help me read this one. The little cub can roll. There he is. He can roll also. The little cub can climb. Good work. We looked at the illustration to help us if we needed. He is climbing the tree. The little cub can run. There he is. The little cub can run. The little cub can drink. There he is. He's drinking. He laps up the water with his tongue. He uses his tongue to lap up the water. The little cub can eat. Good job. There he is. A cub starts eating about 3 months old. We're close to a year when we start eating food like this, right? The little cub can hide. The cub hides so he can sneak up on other cubs or lions. He's hiding in the grass. And the little cub can play. Ah, this is an exclamation point. That means it's exciting. All right, let's try that again with excitement. Are you ready? And the little cub can play. Oh, he's so excited. Look at him playing with his dad. Wow. Okay, so let's think about what we learned in this book. We learned all about cubs. What is a cub? Good, a cub is a baby lion. What did the author want us to understand about all the things the cub does? Think of those actions. Why are they important? That's how he survives, right? He has to learn how to sit. He has to learn how to climb, how to eat. That is everything that he does. He has to learn how to eat meat, drink water, climb, sit. He's got to learn how to roll. Look at this dad rolling with him. How is the cub like a human baby? How do you think? How is the cub like a human baby? Good job. They both need to eat and drink and play. All humans and all cubs need to eat, drink, and play. All right, we're going to look at the title page again. I want you to look at this title page. The title of this book is called The Little Cub. Can you think of another name for the title? What would be another good name for this title? Okay, we could name it The Baby Lion. You could name it What the Cub Can Do. Okay, all right. So today, I want you to show me some of those actions. I want you to say, the little cub can climb, and then say, I can climb. And then I want you to show me one of those actions, okay? So what is one thing in the story the little cub could do? And then I want you to say, the little cub can, and then I want you to say, I can. All right, I can't wait to see your actions. Bye.